hockey model. This is a board game, not a big one. Very interesting. In it, we have such medieval knights in armor for the hockey players. Colored metal is used here. There's a plastic puck. The whole model is made entirely of metal, except the puck. By twisting the handles, you control the hockey players. This is how the bottom of the model looks. You can see the mechanics of how the players work. This is how the packaging looks. Instructions, rather detailed, translated to 12 languages. These are metal plates with details inside. It is really easy to remove the parts from the plate and start assembling. Inside, you will see details made of thick steel. Also, there are gloves, a cloth to wipe the model, and a file inside. We also have a tool, pliers, to make it easy to assemble.